Assalamualaikum ladies and gentlemen, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix the issue of the camera in ASUS Vivobook 14 S14 flip, as you can see here. Now I'm opening the camera, I'm trying to the webcam, but there is nothing. And if you follow any recommendations, you will not solve the issue. Okay, so simply, if you try everything, or before you try everything, that make sure that you turn the webcam on, as you can see here. So here we go. Some people do not know about this shield, about this button here. It turns on and turns off the camera. This okay, now it's turned on. Now I'm gonna turn it off. Okay, I hope this fixes the problem. Thank you so much.